Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect your HyperX headset to NGENUITY in 2026. Now to begin with, HyperX NGENUITY is used to customize the supported HyperX headsets, including the audio, mic and the lighting settings. So in order to download it, you need to first of all open your Microsoft Store. Over here in the search bar, simply search for HyperX NGENUITY. When you are able to find this particular software, you need to simply click on it. Now click on the option of get and wait for some time until it installs in your PC. Now once this is done, you need to simply connect your HyperX headset to your PC. If it is a wired model, you need to use the USB connection. If it is a wireless headset, you can insert the USB dongle and then simply power it on. Just make sure that the headset is fully powered and properly connected before moving forward. Now, once the headset is connected, NGENUITY will automatically detect it, and you should see the headset appear on the main dashboard of the software. After detection, you can check the firmware update inside the software. You can also adjust bunch of different things like microphone, light sync, and you can go to the settings and make changes into the effects, opacity, color, directions, etc. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.